Do you know that in the coming 5 to 10 years, most of our everyday tasks can be completed with the assistance of AI, considering the epic growth of an AI? And do you know that generative AI is one of the key components in this? But what is generative AI? Wait a minute. Do you even know what AI and classical AI are? Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI, specifically exploring classical AI and generative AI. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. It involves the creation of algorithms that can perform tasks intelligently, such as problem-solving, decision-making, and understanding natural language. Now, classical AI, also known as symbolic AI, focuses on programming computers to perform specific tasks based on predefined rules and logic. Think of it as the traditional approach to AI, where algorithms are designed to follow explicit instructions to solve problems. Generative AI, on the other hand, takes a different approach. Instead of relying solely on predefined rules, generative AI leverages neural networks to learn from data and generate new content. This includes images, text, music, and even videos. What sets generative AI apart is its ability to create content that is both novel and realistic. By training on large datasets, generative AI models can capture complex patterns and generate content that mimics the style and characteristics of the training data. So, why is generative AI considered superior to classical AI? The answer lies in its ability to adapt and innovate without explicit human intervention. While classical AI excels at solving well-defined problems, generative AI thrives in scenarios where creativity and imagination are required. In conclusion, classical AI and generative AI represent two different approaches to artificial intelligence, each with its own strengths and limitations. While classical AI relies on predefined rules and logic, generative AI leverages neural networks to generate novel content. We are still going to discuss more on generative AI in the coming series of videos as well.
This much for today's learning. Remember, in the realm of wisdom, we all have a role. Knowledge is the key to reaching our goal.